Yeah, it's kind of all over the inside of the bag. I'm not sure where it's coming out of. Oh, one of the J-hook.
Yeah, maybe we can get it out and just temp throw it on the outside or something.
Well, no, it didn't come off of that one. Might come off of one of the guns on Steve's bag.
I'll check when I get over there and see which ones are in what configuration.
Oh, great. We have a lost tool. I guess one of my crew lock bags was not transferred and it's loose.
Okay, Heidi, crew lock bag.
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah, we see it.
And I'm still cleaning up grease.
Station Houston on on the big loop for EVA.
Yeah, go ahead, Mark.
Concerning the crew lock bag that's floating away, could you get a general direction for which direction it's floating away in?
Okay, we're checking.
It is floating station aft and starboard.
Houston copies aft and starboard, reference station.
And Houston, we have the bag in sight on the downlink.
Houston copies.
Okay, and I have verified everything else.
This is Mission Control Houston. Spacewalkers outside the International Space Station reporting that one of their tool bags being prepared for use with the Solar Alpha Rotary Joint cleaning has drifted off away from the space station. EVA flight controllers and flight directors assessing what this means for the rest of the EVA.
The center discover with a wire tie and adjustable. I'm back out of 1106, getting ready to form a tether swap.
Copy, Steve.
Space Ruckers reported that the bag floated toward the aft of the station and to the starboard.
And Houston Endeavor for EVA.
Go ahead, Shane.
Hey, Mark, just looking on that list for the crew lock bag that we think's gone. Looks like two grease guns, white caddy, scraper, debris container, scraper, and a large trash bag.
Houston concurs. Thanks, Shane.
Okay, and we think we can, Steve's got all that stuff as well, so we can, Heidi can get working with Steve's equipment, if you agree with that, and then we'll just share when he gets over here.
Houston concurs, and concerning the grease gun that got some grease out of it, we want to confirm if that was a J-hook. Stand by.
This is a view of that bag as space station cameras and shuttle cameras are tracking it as it drifts away from the space station. There are duplicate pieces of hardware in Steve Bowen's bag that the crew can use as they continue to work on the solar alpha rotary joint.
Yeah, from what Heidi said earlier, we think it's on Steve's fish stringer, which is she's not near right now.
Okay, I think I've wiped up most of the grease that I was able to. And let me go check out the status of the tools on the fish stringer.
All right. Staying down close, flight locked on my starboard 85.
Bag drifted away as Heidi's definition Piper was cleaning up following one of the breakout grease guns, releasing some grease into the bag.